guys, so today we're going to try and take out the LCD screen on the latest shape Citroen Relay or Citroen Jumper. Mine's gone completely blank, but I know it's quite a common fault with it going flashing and losing different pixels. So I've bought a second-hand replacement unit. I've already stripped down my one, just have a look. So I'm going to take this new one. I can't just replace the whole lot because this one is a left-hand drive one and the mileage and everything is different, so I need to actually swap over the actual LCD. So first job is to just flick over these tabs. I've already done a couple of them. And the back just pops off, and we need is we take off this front piece. So this actual cover front fascia bit just pops off. So that's the first piece off, and then this is the actual LCD screen bit here, which pops out with these 4 retaining clips. So as you can see, it's just this little ribbon that needs to be popped out. And that's all it is. It's quite easy. If you just, I don't know if you can actually buy anywhere online. I've looked for ages trying to just source the actual screen itself, but if you send off and have them repaired, most places will charge you about €200 or something. And this actual replacement clock set cost me 165, so it's actually worked out cheaper. Fingers crossed it will all work. So this is my actual one. So this is the one out of the new one. So it's just hopefully straightforward fitting it back in the same. It's going to be there quite easy enough. Pop that back in there, that's all clipped. As well, fascia plate back on. It's pretty much straightforward. And then the back plate just clips back in. Oops. Everything looks good. So we'll give it a try, eh? So to remove the clock cluster, all you've got is a couple of retaining screws, one at each side. It's a Torx fitting, and then it just lifts up and pops out at the back. I've already took the screws out, so it's just locator lugs at the bottom. And then for the actual cluster itself, there's just a couple of Torx bolts again, which is in there, and then it just lifts up and out, and if you turn it over, then you get the actual fitting on the back. It's just a single one, just a little safety retainer clip in there. It just pops straight out. Pretty straightforward, really. Let's try. Oh, it's on, it's working. Perfect. I think that looks like a job well done. Thanks for watching, guys.